Alright, so we got the Chevy all primed up. Little guide coat going on here. Got DA block it. I'm not going to go through and hand block anything. We're going to go ahead and DA block everything, maybe a little bit of scuffing by hand. Got all the moldings. I'm going to take all those off. Got the back taken off here. I'm going to take everything out of the bed here in a minute. Kind of scrape off all this. This is the hardest part, is getting rid of all the residue, but you saw my video on that. If you look for removing sticker glue, I got a way to get that stuff off super fast, but it's still, you know, just taking all that stuff apart. I'm gonna take the bumper off here in a minute. I got one more dent here to get out, and I'll get that out of there, get all this sticker glue off of here. And I got it all primed up here, the sides, and going back to the original color. I'm not going to do any jams. In fact, I'm not even going to do the roof right now. I'll do that separately. You know, it doesn't make sense, and then guys go and try and do the roof on something like this, and you know, the problem is you're on a ladder doing the roof, then you're doing the sides. It's just easier to do it separate. So keep that in mind if you're painting your old truck, to make it separate. Alright, so got the hood all sanded. I gotta hit this again. I'm gonna do it again with, this is all done with 220 right now. I'm gonna go through with 600 and just run it real quick, just to knock off a little bit of the scratches, clean it up a little bit. It should be fine. Get some new taillights for it too. Look at those old nasty things. They're all beat up, cracked, and gross. Alright, get the truck all new. Alright, talk to you guys in the next video.